Okay, so now we know where we find tropical rainforest. We also know the four layers that make a tropical rainforest from the bottom, the ground floor, then the understory, then the canopy, and then the emergent layer. The next logical thing we need to know, or at least we need to understand and appreciate, are why are tropical rainforests so very important to us? Because at the end of the day, we learn about tropical rainforests, and the tropical rainforests are always in the news. They talk about deforestation. Deforestation is D is the removal of the rainforest. So I guess what's worth understanding is why are they so important? So let's start with the most important. Well, trees convert carbon dioxide into oxygen that we breathe through photosynthesis. Now, ever so slightly stepping on science, but long story short, carbon dioxide is turned to oxygen. We as humans need oxygen. So by default, we need the trees because the trees turn carbon dioxide into oxygen. Us humans, we need oxygen, so that's very important. Another thing that's quite important is 25% of all natural medicine come from rainforests. That's a really high percentage. We lose rainforests, that's a lot of medicines that we might not be able to find cures for. The next thing is the river network. Well, rainforests produce a lot of rain, therefore produce a lot of water. Fresh water is very important because of all the water in the world. Only about 2 to 2.5% of all the water in the world is actually drinkable, so it's very important. Also, in rainforests, there are a lot of unknown species. In other words, plants and animals that we don't know what they are because we haven't discovered them yet. So there are a lot of fauna and flora in rainforests that us humans haven't discovered yet. And if we remove the trees, well, we're going to lose them. A lot of our food comes from rainforests. Vanilla, chocolate. I know, you remove rainforest, you're going to say goodbye to chocolate. Nuts. Another one that's very, very important to us that you find in most products is called date palm. Another thing that's very important is rubber and bamboo. So a lot of ingredients in tyres come from the rainforest. Unsurprisingly, a very important ingredient from the rainforest is wood. Chairs, table, firewood, material in which to build a house comes from a rainforest. Also minerals, gold, copper, all very, very important to us as humans to allow our economy and our environment to keep ticking over. Another sort of side point that makes a rainforest very, very important is tourism. Have a go at creating the spider diagram and by all means add some humour to it. Give it a go.